welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Yes. Can you please introduce yourself to
Sure.
the viewers?
My name is Achille Combat, and I'm the co-founder of We Equip You, a Google partner in North America and in Africa. We are actually the first Google Cloud and Google Workspace partner in the French-speaking nation. I'm also the co-author of two books, Dominate Your Competition and Speak Your Customer Language, that your audience can find on Amazon. And we have a community called Hope Bank Academy, where we actually strive to bring awareness and engagement to life principles for human and economic development.
Yes. Mr. Achille, come back at a go. What is AI all about?
That's a good question. So I think in our organization, what we try to do with all the engineers, right, is to bring things down to ground, okay, for everyday person to understand. So see AI just as a product of innovation, okay? Just 100 years ago, when our manual labor was replaced by mechanical labor, right? Everybody was just like, oh, okay, it's the end of work, work labor and all that, right? Then progressively, you'll notice that the mechanical use move all the way to technology, right? And then we had the same buzz going around and all that. And technology progressively opened up to, internet. I remember people in the 90s where they were saying, oh, you know what, internet, this is witchcraft, right? That is not possible to be able to. And progressively, internet now is opening up to what we call Web 3.0. So AI, as the word mentioned, is artificial intelligence, right? And I like when I'm invited on TV programs, I like emphasizing on the fact that we're still at the level of generative AI, meaning that what you give in is what you'll get out. So we are not at the level where we need to panic that AI will replace human, but hopefully we're going to get there, because technology innovation is just following human evolution. That's why I try to bring the genesis in there. So what is it all about AI? It's just artificial intelligence. For me, it's a tool.
Okay. And can you provide example of AI applications that have had significant real world impacts?
As a Google partner, one example I'll give is Gemini, okay? But I'll insist on Gemini for Google Workspace. So a good example is you being assisted in even writing your email, right? So Gemini, as an AI built by Google, so our clients who are able to have access to it can even go back in all your emails, remind you emails that you didn't respond for, and help you even plan your project. Okay, so that's an example I'll give. But today we have so many products going around that I can only focus on the one that we actually equipping, okay, organization to use. So Gemini will be the first one that will come to mind, and there are so many. I think ChatGPT just brought a big buzz around this. Okay. I want the audience to understand that before even ChatGPT, came as like a surprise, AI was around us for so many years already, So that's one example I'll give. Even with Google, when you do the Google Map, for example, right? That's a machine talking to you, right? So